Hi everyone, once again, welcome back my 12th video of C programming and you are watching Infinite India Online College. In last class I have executed and run C program through MinGW. The person who have not watched my last class video, so I am requesting at first please watch my last class video for better understanding, and I have already given my last class video link in description. So today I am going to discuss in details about operator in C. So here the operators in C. An operator is a symbol that tells the compiler to perform a specific mathematical or logical function. So here the operator, what the operator, mathematical function or maybe symbol. The symbol is the greater than, smaller than, percentage, uh, ampersand, hash key. It's a type of symbol. Or logical, mathematical is there. The mathematical is plus minus, division, multiplication. It's come in mathematical. Or logical function can be and, ampersand, compare than, or and, NAND. It comes in logical function. So in C, operators are mainly three types. Which one is the urinary operator, binary operator, and ternary operators? Apart from these, C support eight types of operators which form the above three kinds of operators. So at first, I am going to explain about in the urinary operators. So here the urinary operators are those which need only one operand to perform an operation. These operators are usually written on left of the variable or object, but sometimes can be written on right as well as left also. For example, here the object, it is can be the plus sign is in left and minus is in also in left. So the next one is the object plus sign is in right side, and object minus side is in also in right side. Some example of urinary operators are, here is the increment operator. So here the increment is, it is in plus, it is going to be at +1, so it is going to be increment. So the second one is the decrement. Here the decrease the -1, so it's come in decrement operators. So here the negation operators, either true or false, which comes in negation operators. So here the urinary minus operator, fourth one is there. So can be urinary minus is going to be perform of the minus operator. So here is the second one is the binary operators. A binary operators is an operator that operates on two operands and manipulates them to return a result. Here it is going to be work as an two operands, okay, and which is going to be return a results of the two operands. So here the operators are referenced by special characters or by keywords and provide an easy way to compare numerical values or a characteristics. Binary operators are represented in the form of, here is the operand 1 operator, operand 2, and there is the second one is some common binary operators in computing includes here the equal, not equal, less than, greater than or equal to. You can see the sign I have already given in bracket. Less than or equal to, logical and, logical or, plus, minus, multiplication and division also. And here is the third one is the ternary operators. is an operator that takes three arguments that the arguments and results can be of different types. So many programming languages that you see like syntax features or ternary operator which defines a conditional expression since this operator is often the only existing ternary operator in the language. It is sometimes referred to as the ternary operator in some language. This operator is referred to as the conditional operators. So here is in ternary operator only one operator is used, conditional operator. So here is the greater than, smaller than, question marks is there, and the bracket is also going to be used in the ternary operator. So conditional operator, so here is the conditional operator. So conditional operator returns the one value. If condition is true, it will give 1, and if condition is false, then it will return 0. So here is the syntax condition true value and false value it will return. For example, here is the 1 w1, either it will return 0 or it will return false. 1 1 isn't true and 0 isn't false. So apart from these and after combining these three operators, we form the following operators. So here is the arithmetic operators. Second one, assignment operator, relational operator, logical operator, bitwise operators. Bitwise operators is going to be used in logical operators. Okay. So the conditional operators, increment, decrement operators. So here is the conditional operators I have explained here. So special operators, MI. So here the special operators is comes in MISC operators or size of ternary operators. Okay, it is going to be used. So the remaining operators I will explain in next video. So here I have finished the first part of the operators. Because of length of the video, I have divided into some parts. So if I will include the remaining operators, so the length of the video became large and so lengthy, and it will give a boring. So that's why I have given in short. Okay, for better understanding I have given here, and the second part of the operator will comes next week. So please make patience, stay in touch with us, and if you have any doubt and suggestion, so please mail us on infinityindia2@gmail.com. And once more, due to this pandemic, always take necessary precaution and keep in touch with your local doctors and watch the COVID news. Thank you.